What if you could reclaim 20 hours a week and still nail your outbound emails? That's precisely what Aura by Lavender promises. In this video, we'll explore what Aura is, how it functions, who it's made for, and whether it's truly worth it. By the end, I'll walk you through the UI, explain the pricing, and help you decide if it belongs in your sales toolkit. Aura is a brand new AI email solution from the creators of Lavender. If you work in sales, you've likely heard of Lavender. It's one of the most popular tools for crafting stronger cold emails. But Aura takes things further. Instead of only assisting with email composition, it aims to automate your entire email workflow, from follow-ups to scheduling to delivery, all with a personal touch. So what does Aura actually do? At its core, it takes care of the tasks salespeople dread: drafting follow-ups, remembering when to send them, and ensuring each message sounds natural. It's powered by what they call Augmented Communication Intelligence, or ACI, a sophisticated way of saying it learns from your historical outreach, grasps your tone, and adapts its approach to feel more human and drive higher response rates. Aura offers two distinct modes: OCD mode and LFG mode. OCD mode is for those who want granular control, writing, editing, tweaking, and double-checking every message. LFT mode, conversely, is for people who prefer to hit send and trust Aura to handle everything. You can toggle between these modes to match your workflow, which is a nice touch. One of Aura's standout capabilities is its follow-up automation. You can build logic-based workflows that trigger emails based on user behavior. Did someone open your email but not reply? Aura can nudge them. Did they click a link? Aura can tailor a follow-up accordingly. You don't have to manage any of this manually. Aura takes care of the sequence. It gets even more powerful with built-in prospecting. You can uncover new leads and automate outreach all within one platform. Aura even determines the optimal send times using historical campaign data and real-time analytics. In effect, you get a full outbound assistant without toggling between multiple tools. Let's review the UI. From what I've seen, the interface is clean and modern. You get a campaign dashboard that highlights key metrics like revenue generated, email deliverability, and reply rates. There's also an optimization view that shows which sequences are performing best. It's built to offer insights without overwhelming you. Now, about pricing. As of this recording, Aura is in early access. You can't sign up immediately. You need to request an invite. Public pricing isn't available yet, but considering what Aura offers and its market positioning, expect it to target sales teams and serious solo operators. If you want in early, I suggest requesting access on their site, especially if you're already using Lavender. So who should use Aura? If you're a solo founder or part of a small sales team sending high volumes of outbound emails weekly, or anyone looking to save hours of work, Aura isn't just a time saver, it's a performance enhancer. You retain control, but the tedious tasks disappear. If you run and optimize email campaigns repeatedly, it could become your secret weapon. Here's my verdict. Aura isn't about replacing people. It's about replacing the repetitive, boring tasks that keep you from selling. To me, that's where AI shines. It doesn't need flashy gimmicks. It just needs to work. And on paper, Aura seems to do exactly that. That's all for today. Have a great one and peace out.